Ever step outside, look at the sun, and instantly sneeze? You're not alone. This quirky reaction is called the Photic Sneeze Reflex, and yes, that's the real name. It affects about 1 in 3 people. Scientists think it happens because the nerves for your eyes and nose sit very close together in the brain. When bright light floods your eyes, the optic nerve fires off a strong signal. In some people, that electrical surge bleeds over into the trigeminal nerve, which controls sneezing. It's harmless, but it can be annoying, like if you're driving into the sun. So if you sneeze at sunlight, don't blame allergies. Blame crossed wires in your brain and the photic sneeze reflex.